When we think of Bali, a certain image probably pops into our heads, right? But what if I told you that just beyond all those famous beaches and temples, there's this hidden gem that has a completely different kind of magic? Well, today, we're going to explore that exact side of the island.
So when I say Bali, what's the first thing you think of? I bet it's sun-drenched beaches, right? Or maybe those incredible ornate temples, or the bustling markets. And yeah, those are all definitely part of the story. But the island also has these quieter, more delicate secrets just waiting for you to find them.
So we're going to go a little off the beaten path today. We're leaving the crowds behind to check out a place that's all about tranquility, color, and transformation. It is a true hidden sanctuary.
So where are we headed? It's the Taman Kupu-Kupu Gianyar. It's this incredibly serene butterfly park right in the heart of the Gianyar Regency. Honestly, this is your invitation to experience a totally different rhythm of Balinese life.
I think this description really just hits the nail on the head. It perfectly captures what this place is all about. It's not just about looking at something beautiful. It's a whole experience that kind of connects you to these bigger ideas. Ideas about nature and, well, our role in protecting it.
Okay, so what's it actually like to step inside? Let me tell you, it is a truly immersive experience. You completely forget about the noise of the outside world because nature just takes center stage. Just try to picture this. You're walking along these shaded paths, you're surrounded by lush tropical plants, and there are literally hundreds of butterflies just dancing in the air all around you. One might even land on your shoulder for a second. It's just this quiet, totally calming environment that feels like it's a world away from Bali's busier spots. But here's the other really cool thing. This park is also this incredible place to learn. And it all revolves around one fascinating concept: metamorphosis. This isn't just a home for adult butterflies. No, it's a living, breathing showcase of their entire miraculous life cycle. Right here, you can see the entire four-stage miracle for yourself. You'll see the tiny, tiny eggs laid so carefully on leaves, then the super hungry caterpillars just munching away, then the beautifully camouflaged chrysalises, and finally, you get to see the magnificent butterflies emerge. It's amazing.
And this brings us to a much deeper, more important part of the park. See, it's so much more than just a beautiful place to spend an afternoon. It has a really vital mission right at its core. What's so special here is that the park really has this dual identity. On one hand, yes, it's a fantastic tourist attraction. It offers this peaceful escape. But on the other hand, it's a serious conservation center. It's dedicated to protecting native butterfly species and teaching all of us why they're so incredibly important.
And you might be asking, why does that matter so much? Well, as the educational displays in the park explain, butterflies are absolutely essential. They are key pollinators for so many plants. Their presence or absence tells us a ton about the health of an ecosystem, and they play a critical role in keeping our world biodiverse. So this unique mix of beauty, education, and just pure calm makes the park especially awesome for certain types of visitors. Let's break down who will get the absolute most out of this experience. For families, it's a slam dunk. It's such an interactive and exciting way for kids to learn about nature, like right up close. The park is super safe, it's easy to walk around, and it really fosters this genuine sense of wonder and respect for the natural world. It's pretty much hands-on learning at its absolute best. And hey, if you're a photographer, amateur or pro, this place is basically paradise. It's a natural studio where the bright colors of the butterflies pop against all the green foliage. It gives you endless opportunities for just stunning shots, especially if you're into macro photography. And here's a pro tip for you. Get there in the morning. The light is just perfect. All right, feeling inspired? If you're thinking about adding this to your Bali itinerary, let's get into the practical details. Here's everything you'll need to know to plan the perfect visit. First up, the entrance fees, which are actually quite affordable. For international visitors, you're looking at around 100,000 rupiah. But, of course, it's always a good idea to just double-check the current prices online before you head out. Now, to really make the most of your trip, keep a few key tips in mind. Definitely go in the morning, because that is when the butterflies are the most active. You'll also want to aim for the dry season, which is from about April to October for the best weather. And, of course, wear something light and comfy. And do not forget your camera. So, to kind of wrap it all up, a visit to Taman Kupu-Kupu Gianyar is way more than just another stop on a tour. It's a real chance to slow down, to connect with nature on a super intimate level, and to just appreciate the delicate beauty of these incredible creatures. It's both memorable and, truly meaningful. And that really leaves us with a final thought, doesn't it?
This park proves that even in the most famous destinations in the world, there are always these hidden worlds just waiting to be found. So, the question is, what unexpected natural wonders are you going to seek out on your next adventure? Thanks for joining me.